What's up guys, True here with another video, and today's video I'm actually going to talk about how you guys can start your automotive channel or showcase your project car on what you want to do with it, show your build, do videos for it, because I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram on how to make videos for that, and here are some tips and tricks that's helping me out and helping me grow my channel, and hopefully it works for you. So my number one tip is be yourself and be creative. A lot of the time, a lot of new YouTubers or small channels try to do the same ways as a bigger channel, and sometimes that doesn't really work out, because let's just say an example where a person watches a bigger channel's video and they come upon your video and they watch it. Mostly all the time, if you have the same style of that bigger channel, they're not going to watch your videos because they already seen that similar style and they want to see something different. And what's cool about making videos is that you can be yourself and you can pretty much be creative and do pretty much what you want to do on, edits and stuff like that. And it's going to benefit you because you're creating your own character and you're creating your own style. So my second tip is the video quality that you guys are putting out. Now, a lot of people say that you have to have a high definition camera to compete with bigger YouTube channels. Most of the time, you guys can use your guys' smartphone. Your smartphone can actually grab some pretty good high definition videos. And of course, the most important thing is your guys' scenes on what you guys are trying to do. Like, an example is if you guys are replacing an alternator, you want to make a video where there's close-ups and what parts need to be taken out, how to do this, how to do that, because half of the time when someone searches how to replace an alternator or something like that and they have your specific car, they want to know where the location is at. And if you just show them the engine bay and saying like, hey, I'm gonna replace an alternator, you have to do this, and that, doesn't really give them a good detail on how to replace that part, because sometimes they look at your video and they want to know where the location is at, and if you can provide them with that information, they're going to give you some good feedback, they're going to like your video, and of course you're going to get that subscription from them. My third tip is the way you guys edit your videos. And if you guys notice, all the big YouTuber channels do a one scene then cut to other scene. An example would be like this, something like this, where you can't really copy that style because you have to make your own style, and a lot of your audience are going to get bored with those simple edits. Another cool thing you guys can do is, do zoom ins, zoom outs, slides, rolls, fades, glitches, and stuff like that, because that's what audience want. They want to see something different. An example would be, or another example would be, and of course the drop down. So it's something you guys can play with, and hopefully you guys can find your own style where you guys can entertain your viewers, because that's exactly what they want to see. They want to see something different, and it's going to build you a good reputation because they're going to enjoy your edits. And trust me, when you drop that new video, they're going to be like, oh dude, I want to see what his new edits are all about. So those were my 3 tips for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Also, if you guys haven't followed me on social media, go ahead and follow me on social media, because I'm always doing daily updates on the 240. Don't forget to hit that like button, and of course subscribe to the channel to be notified on some new videos that I'm dropping. So just a quick recap: 1, be yourself; 2, put out quality videos and some close-up scenes on what you guys are doing; and number 3 is how you guys are going to edit your video, because that's what you guys want. You guys don't want to compete with these bigger YouTubers. You guys want to create your own style and your own your own fan base on where they're gonna like your video on how you are and how you present yourself. And for smaller channels, just be patient, just keep doing what you guys are doing, keep putting out content, keep working hard, and don't give up. It's a good thing, never give up. But like always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later guys.